Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are doing good. Hope you all are resonating with the readings and liking the readings. Do like the channel, do subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon to know as and when I bring in new videos and as and when I bring in the sale and other tips. So let's see what Lord Ganesha has answers for us today. But before I go to the reading, I felt when I was sitting and shuffling the cards that many of you out there are happy that the month has begun, but at the same time worried over the expenses of this month. So I feel just surrender it to Vignaharta and tell him what is your issues. Maybe today offer him some prasad and chant Om Gam Ganapati Namaha 108 times. And today I feel the color has to be pink because most of you have mixed emotions, worrying about expenses and about the month, so the color should be pink. So let's pull the cards out and let's see. The first card itself is something like that, more like you need to speak out, you need to discuss your issues, you need to speak about your worries and not keep it to yourself, is what the first card is saying. But I will pull one more card and then predict together. Okay, beginnings, maybe because the month is beginning, the card has also said that beginnings are happening. So here, candid being that we need to speak out, we need to speak the truth. Maybe what these cards are indicating is, even if it is financial worries or worries which you feel is how the month will go, then maybe you should sit and sort out your finances with your family members or with your life partner, or just sit and plan and get a clarity on what has to be done and communicate your plans for that month with your family members. Because here, the moment you start expressing and communicating the issues that you're facing and things that you want to plan for this month, then be it your finances, be it your career, be it anything that is actually troubling you, new beginnings will start and it will benefit you. So throughout the month you will be benefited only by you speaking out and just expressing your thoughts. Now when the throat chakra is blocked, sometimes it is even emotional stress. Sometimes it is like you want to tell your partner or your siblings or your parents something and you're not able to tell it, you're not able to seek clarity with them. Then Ganesha cards are indicating that today is the day to even seek clarity, be it your business partner, your life partner, your parents or your siblings, and sort out the issues, and Ganesha will bless you for this month of May with loads and loads of abundance. Have a beautiful and a blessed day ahead.